video will show you how you can use the Inquire add-in to analyze a workbook. So we had opened up a workbook that's called Sales Summary. And in each quarter here, we've got total sales through that quarter where this actual sales data came from another workbook. So here you can see I used a sum if referring to the workbook sales data to add up what we sold of toys, candy, and magazines in quarter one. Then in quarter two, we've got what we sold through in quarter one plus the sales in quarter two. Quarter three, the sales through quarter two plus the sales in quarter three. Quarter four, we've got the sales in quarter four plus the sales through quarter three. So we want to analyze this workbook here. So what we would see is workbook analysis report. And there we go. So to link workbook, in other words, there's another workbook that basically is needed to compute this workbook. And we'll see more about that in our next few videos. We have 12 formulas, and I had range names. So I had named the formulas in each worksheet, quarter one through quarter four. So there are 4 named items, and you get all sorts of information here. If it said data connections here, that would mean non-Excel files that basically this workbook is linked to. There are 4 visible sheets, etc. So I can export this. Now I'm going to give this a name. Something like that. Okay, so now let's see what that looks like. Here we go. Okay, so you can see all that stuff's in an Excel workbook if you're interested that summarizes everything. Here's the link workbook. That's the one that we depended on. Here's all the formulas. There's more stuff than you'd ever want to know about your workbook, but this is quite useful. And we'll see in the next few videos something even better where you can see nice diagrams of how your worksheet or workbooks fit together.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.